In this video, let me tell you how to study and revise. And one more thing is, this is my WhatsApp number. Okay, anytime if something is distracting you, not reaching your target, just send me message. I will try to answer you. Okay, anyway, how to study and revise. One thing I'll tell you, everybody study. Okay, 100% of GATE aspirants or 100% of ESE aspirants, everybody study. But what is the difference between achiever and who couldn't achieve? Okay, is proper revision plan. Okay, one thing I'll tell you, just before GATE exam or ESE exam, okay, whatever it may be your target, just 10 days before, if we can revise whatever we have done till that point, they are going to achieve. Okay, I mean to say that whatever you are studying now, okay, whatever the short notes you are preparing now or running notes you are preparing now, everything is meant for that particular 10 days only, because there is a difference between BTech examination and a national competitive examination. Because BTech examination, maybe you have to attempt or you have to write one exam depending upon only one subject. Okay, and like kind of big subjects like power systems, machines and all, we will have in 3 semesters. But in GATE exam or ESE exam or any competitive exam, complete syllabus has to be represented. That's why in normal BTech examinations, one day or one night, okay, already you know, I know. Okay, so one night or one day will be sufficient just before the exam. But national competitive exams, compulsorily 10 days revision is required. Whatever you studied till that point, you should be able to revise in 10 days. That is the only target. Okay, and this video means for ECE guys or maybe other department guys, they can analogously develop, okay, their department subjects and all they can include there. Okay, first of all, from a revision point of view, what are the subjects which has to be revised multiple times? What are the subjects? Kind of that much revision is not required, only formulas are required. Or maybe if you solve more and more problems, automatically subjects will be strengthened. So such a kind of 2 categories will be there. One category, multiple times you have to revise the analysis, and another category, multiple times you have to solve problems. Okay, so if I divide that, okay, in our electrical engineering, I can say that machines we have to revise multiple times, power systems we have to revise, power electronics we have to revise, and we are scared of EM theory and we are scared of analog electronics. Okay, and some subjects will be there, means if you keep on solve more and more problems, automatically everything fall in place. Such a kind of subjects, not that much analysis is required, kind of network theory, okay, and control systems, signals and systems, okay, kind of aptitude, kind of mathematics, digital actually you need not revise multiple times. Okay, and kind of measurements also you need not revise multiple times. Okay, these are the 2 subject categories. And now we have roughly 7 months time. Okay, so during this much time, is it possible to revise 5 subjects through analysis? It's actually difficult. Okay, do one thing, EM theory if you think of. Okay, EM theory, definitely we can analyze the things to deep, because basically EM theory is the entry into the engineering, entry subject into the engineering, which will mix your, which will bridge a gap actually between your intermediate or +2 to engineering from physics point of view. Okay, so this EM theory, what we can do is, let us convert into mathematics. Okay, such deep analysis is not required, because by using mathematics only, we will be able to solve all the problems given in GATE exam. Okay, next thing is analog. Okay, about analog I have to tell one thing. The main problem with present offline coaching centers or most of the guys, okay, in online also, they are teaching analog for EC and EEE combinedly. Okay, basically at least from past 5 years I'm into only machines. Okay, prior to that I was taking power systems and all. But anyway, if I teach machines for electrical, that would be different. Okay, if I teach machine, for example, for ESC guys, engineering services exam, for EC guys, electronics and communication guys, they are having machines as one of their syllabus. But if we teach to the same level, will they understand? Is it required for them? No. Okay, so for EC guys, IES kind of basic electrical engineering will be there. There also they will study machine, they'll study part of power systems and all, but that is different. And our electrical machine is different because machine is our own, so we have to analyze, we have to go to the deepest possible depth. Okay, similarly analog also, basically analog electronics, normally we don't feel like that analog electronics is ours. Why? Because we feel this is related to ECE electronics guys. Okay, so basically ECE guys has to analyze too much depth of analog electronics. Electrical guys need not analyze. Okay, analog, it is very important and it's going to be very crucial subject for ECE guys, not for electrical. Okay, but in offline coaching centers and all, what will happen? They will have combined batch of ECE, EEE, electronics and electrical guys. The moment they have, obviously teacher has to go by keeping in mind ECE guy only. So they will go to too much depth and they will too much analyze. It's a kind of sitting ECE guy in my machines class. It is difficult. Okay, so that's why we are scared of analog. Okay, if we can convert this analog into kind of network theory, okay, we can directly link with network theory and we can solve all the problems of analog. Now we are left with these three. Now first thing is, always while studying, while learning anything, do it in the morning. Okay, revision should happen before sleep. Okay, before sleep if you revise. Okay, so during the night actually I had many experiences, kind of in the sleep also I used to think about something about electrical engineering. Okay, by the time I wake up in the morning, I feel like, okay, I might have thought about this. Okay, so in dreams I feel electrical engineering. Okay, really, that's truth. Okay, similarly, like in revision portion, if you can do just before sleep, while sleeping, automatically neurons setup will be there. It will be properly formed in the mind, in the brain, because competitive exam is a mind game. Okay, it is not that whoever study hard will get it. Okay, it is that whoever won the subject, they will get it. Okay, now next thing is how to study. Okay, maybe first thing is, with positivity we have to study. In the sense, for example, you did not learn one concept. Okay, maybe while watching the videos or while attending any class or while going through the standard books and all, if you learn any new point, don't rush into the things, just stop there. Okay, give 30 seconds time or 40 seconds time or 1 minute time or 2 minutes time, just feel it. Wow, what a great point. Okay, so if you feel that with positivity, means it will go to mind. Okay, with positive energy, if you push any information to the mind, automatically mind has to remember. So means if you get any new point, just stop there, feel it, saying like, wow, this point is awesome, and praise the other. Okay, means if you are going through standard book, praise the other. Okay, this particular, your appreciation may not go till other. If you are watching my videos, for example, wow, K.N. sir, enough. Okay, so that appreciation need not come to me. That appreciation, okay, that positive feeling, with that positive feeling, if you can push your information in the mind, it will be properly set up. Okay, next thing is, again, how to feel our target. I will tell you, most of you crossed maybe around 20 years. And most of you people might have passed through kind of feeling of love or at least crush. Okay, maybe I'll tell you, even when I was in diploma, okay, if I recollect, you know the dress she wore at that time, okay, even the chappal color, bindi color, okay, even I know by date now, I remembered. Okay, because with too much, like kind of, what do you say, too much affection we feel here. Okay, so very simple. Okay, maybe once you fell in crush or once you fell in love, okay, with anyone or anybody, okay, how the situation will be? Do we sleep properly? No. Okay, do we eat properly? No. Okay, but are we pressurized? No. Okay, but 24/7 we used to think about her only or maybe him only. Okay, so point here is develop the same feeling with gate. Okay, means you may not sleep properly, you may not eat properly, but always positive energy should be there. Okay, 24/7 means you thought about her sometime back. Okay, similarly you please think about gate. Okay, definitely you will get it. Okay, now coming to the point about standard books. Okay, standard books, I have to tell you one thing. Standard books should be studied only by BTech second year students can study. Okay, BTech third year students, not all subject standard books, some subject standard books they can study because we don't have time. Okay, one thing, maybe at our age when we tried with gate and when we cracked gate exam or ESE or whatever it may be, at that time there were no coaching centers, frankly speaking. Okay, means we didn't complete the syllabus. At our age we did not complete our syllabus. Maybe I might have prepared roughly 70% of the syllabus. Okay, but we cracked single digit ranks and all. Okay, but the present situation is, frankly, logically speaking, because of these coaching centers, if all faculty should be good, otherwise people will not pay the fees and all. Okay, so means everybody is studying everything. Okay, at this present market scenario we should be able to complete 100% of the syllabus. That is our target. Okay, if 100% of the syllabus should be completed, if you go with standard books, is it possible? Okay, so it's not at all possible. I'm not saying that I did not read standard books. I might have read so many books. Okay, but at this point of time, roughly we have 7 months time. Okay, so during these 7 months, I can tell you maybe tens of standard books for each subject. But who is having that much time to prepare within 7 months time? Okay, so final year guys, or whoever are targeting GATE 2021, I don't recommend standard books, not required. Okay, means rather than that, go ahead with normal maybe videos or maybe offline coaching or whatever you like, you please go through it. But standard books, if you touch the standard book, it will take months together. If I say one standard book of machine or power systems or controls or networks or analog or digital, okay, it will take months together. Okay, for digital electronics, TOSI is a wonderful book, but TOSI I studied when I was in masters. Okay, not before GATE exam. Okay, so no with standard books. Okay, if you are, for example, if you are watching videos and one small topic, if you are unable to understand, so that particular small topic only you have to go through your standard book. Okay, but from starting to ending we should not go through standard books because we don't have time. Syllabus has to be completed. Next thing is how to revise. Okay, first thing I will tell you, first watch all the videos with 1.25 speed in the morning. Okay, the moment you get up, your mind will be completely relaxed, your mind will be open to anything. Okay, so just watch the videos in the morning time. Okay, if you watch the videos in the morning time, as mind is fresh, you will be able to digest the things faster. Okay, and the speed of the video should be 1.25 because even present this video also, if you watch in 1.25 it will be better. Okay, because human beings, we take time to speak because that particular wording should be compiled, executed, then it has to come out. Okay, now all the videos watch in 1.25, meaning that 1 hour video you will take almost 48 minutes, or let me think of 50 minutes video in the morning. Okay, now means the right side we have written some kind of problem oriented subjects, left side we have written analysis oriented subjects. Now let me think of left side, kind of machines, power systems, power electronics. Okay, so machines, power systems, power electronics, at a stage complete one topic. Okay, daily 2 hours you can take in the morning. Maybe if you think of voltage regulation of transformer, for example, okay, it may take 3 days or 4 days. Okay, so daily 2 hours of video content you please watch. Okay, in 1.25. Okay, so in order to watch this 50 minutes you need to take at least 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes of time you have to take. Okay, meaning that the moment you are watching the video, don't watch video as if it's a movie. Okay, just watch the video slowly in 1.25 speed, playback speed. Okay, and make a classroom running notes. That is not short notes. Okay, for example, in 4 days. Okay, so in 4 days, for example, you might have completed voltage regulation of transformer. The topic is over. Now these videos you have to watch again, because second time you have to watch. There is no other go. Okay, so you please watch the same video second time before sleep, and then form short notes. Okay, so maybe first 4 days you have taken in the morning time, the moment you get up. Okay, in the evening time, in the sense before going to sleep. Okay, maybe you can start by evening 6, something like that. So evening time you are going to take again 4 days, again in 1.25 speed only. Then means convert this particular running notes into short notes. Okay, so these short notes are going to be your future. Okay, yes, this short notes is going to future, and with this particular short notes will not be completed. Okay, with this short notes will not be completed, because with these short notes additions will come once you go through old gate and ESC questions. Then some additions will be there in the short notes, and after that we are providing problem sets, right? Okay, so the moment you solve problem sets, additions will come here, and after that go to online test series. Okay, after online test series, this additions will be there in the short notes. Okay, so in this way you are going to do it. Okay, now second thing is, in the morning study should be there, in the evening before sleep revision should be there. Okay, once short notes is formed, we are going to depend only on the short notes. Okay, so and one more thing is, BTech studying students, working employees, okay, they will not have that much time during the daytime, because the morning to evening college will be there, or morning to evening your office will be there. Okay, for them I'll suggest one thing. Once short notes is formed, okay, regular updations will happen. Old gate ESC regular updations, problem sets updations, or online test series updations will be there in the short notes. Just take the short notes, and never ever write short notes on A4 size sheets. Okay, because I had experience. Means in my CET, common entrance test, okay, of United Andhra Pradesh, I got 24th rank, but I was supposed to get a better rank. Okay, means I used to write on sheets only, A4 size sheets. Okay, and some of the sheets missed before the exam. Okay, differential equation 2 questions I missed, because I couldn't find that. So never ever use A4 sheets at all. Okay, use book only. Okay, and once the short notes is formed, and just take a snapshots. Okay, for BTech studying students or kind of working employees, take snapshots on your phone. Okay, our BTech studying students can carry this book to the class. Okay, I know about BTech colleges. Okay, we need not depend like much upon them, frankly speaking, except for the certificate. Okay, so one thing here is take these short notes as a book for BTech students, or take this short notes as a snapshots in your mobile phone, and whenever you get time, just keep on go through it, such that morning to evening also your mind will be occupied about gate. Okay, otherwise what can you do? Okay, so point here is, we should get best out of our preparation. Okay, now second thing is, right side we have written these things. Okay, so for this, while watching first time only, directly prepare short notes. You need not have second stage. Actually, here first stage you are maintaining running notes, and second stage you are trying to prepare short notes. But here for these subjects, directly you can prepare short notes, and again that short notes additions will be there once you go through old gate IES. Okay, and once you go through our problem sets, and once you go through OTS online test series. Okay, so in this way we have to do. Now BTech final year students are not supposed, BTech final year or whoever are preparing for GATE 21, okay, I request not to prepare any standard books. Now BTech third year students, definitely for BTech third year students, if they can start the preparation now, okay, that will be advantageous, because means these three subjects, or maybe they can think of these two subjects also, they can convert into analysis subjects. Okay, for GATE 2021 candidates, these two subjects should be diluted. Okay, because with only kind of analyzing analog electronics like network theory also, you'll be able to solve all the problems. But for BTech third year students, they can include these two also into analysis oriented subjects. Okay, and BTech third year students can go through some standard books. Okay, not 10-15. Okay, some standard books, maybe 2-3. And BTech second year students, that is the biggest advantage for them, because they can increase the CGPA or percentage, and they can develop this also. Okay, means GATE skills or ESE skills also. Okay, so BTech second years, they can go through standard books. And okay, for BTech third years, first of all, you please complete these subjects only. BTech third year students, okay, you please complete these subjects only, because your target is GATE 22, not 21. Okay, so before GATE 2021, okay, if you can complete these subjects, and out of these subjects, whatever are there in your semester syllabus, okay, whatever you have in semester, maybe definitely some part of your power system will be there in your semester, some part of machine will be there in your power system, machines, some part will be there in your semester, okay, or power electronics can be there in your semester. So those subjects you please complete. Okay, and once these subjects are over, next year you can prepare in these particular section, whatever the subjects in your BTech, it's already completed. Okay, in that way it will be done, it will be good. Okay, and for BTech second year students, okay, so whatever are there in your BTech syllabus, you can go through depending upon here or here, but BTech second year students has to watch videos 2 times like this only. Okay, how we try to revise this, in the same way this also BTech second year students has to revise. Okay, now coming to the point, once you make a short notes, first of all, basically buy a planner. Okay, so if you buy a planner, okay, along with the date, okay, kind of diary, okay, take one diary, okay, or maybe you can take a book and you can write the date there. Whatever you studied today, you please write there. Topics, whatever you revised today, topic, okay, just topic name you please write. And once you revise today, immediately once topic is completed, mention that date, and immediately after 10 days, again revise that particular short notes compulsorily. Okay, and again after 20 days revise the same thing compulsorily. Okay, now means by the time if we go by, okay, after that, like once 20 days is over, means again 1 month you can revise, it's enough. Okay, so first revision should happen within 10 days. Okay, for example, I completed voltage regulation of transformer today, okay, June 1st. Now on June 10th you have to again compulsorily revise this particular short notes. Okay, on June 20th you please revise. Okay, again the same short notes compulsorily. After that 1 month once, enough. Okay, by the time if you keep on study, keep on prepare, addition will be there for the revision, and after some time, after 2-3 months, okay, for revision you need to have more time. Okay, by the time preparation would be done. Okay, so means at starting preparation will be of heavy weight, revision will be of less weight. Gradually one time this will increase and preparation will be reduced. That's okay. Okay, so in this way, first revision 10 days, second revision 20 days, after that 1 month if you can revise, means you are not going to forget anything. Okay, revision matters. If you are unable to understand anything, rewatch the video. Who is stopping you? Rewatch the video. Okay, and if you are unable to solve any questions, send us mail. okay, and depending upon the content you requested, okay, our guys can email you by solving the problem and attached, okay. Otherwise they will call you, even I may call you, okay, if you ask any doubt which is conceptual related to machine. Okay, so in this way proper study plan should be there, proper revision plan should be there. I cannot say that for networks you need 40 hours, for machines you need 100 hours. I cannot say that, because that all depends upon your perception. Okay, and one more thing is, in recent times when I was talking with the students, I'm thinking that actually many of the students, what they are feeling is, sir, our pace is very slow, our speed is very slow. Yet starting it will be like that only. Okay, our perception levels will increase exponentially. Okay, at starting maybe you need to take more time to understand small concepts. Okay, but once these concepts are dots are connected, okay, because maybe in network theory, if you understand magnetically coupled network, immediately transformer you will understand. In network theory, once you understand transient properly, you will understand magnetic inrush. Okay, so in EM theory, if you understand inductance, capacitance calculations, in EM theory it may take time, but in power systems, just like that. Okay, so because ours is engineering, okay, we are not going to study means different things. Okay, ours is complete engineering, electrical engineering. Okay, so point is very simple. At starting, our speed or pace will be very slow. Okay, keep it, no problem, don't bother. Okay, gradually once the dots are getting connected, formed our brain structure, in the brain structure, okay, in the mind, then whatever you take a book, okay, means you will be able to complete the revision in a very like high speed. You will be able to watch the videos in first first time watching only, you will get everything. Okay, so don't bother. At starting, everybody has to start crawling. Okay, once you learn crawling, you will try to learn walking, and after that maybe you will run. One thing I will tell you here, okay, a monkey will be there, okay, monkey can be trained or not, yes, okay, dog can be trained or not, yes, okay, maybe a cow can be trained or not, yes. So if animals can be trained, why can't you be trained? Okay, so point here is, don't get scared, that much is not there. Means people are thinking that GATE is such a, especially from tier 3 colleges and all, people are feeling GATE is very big thing for them. No, means we need to give time, we need to have persistence, we need to have confidence. Okay, and 24/7 develop the feel of love, how you felt in your maybe younger age, okay, with maybe girl or boy, whatever it may be. Okay, develop the same feeling with your target. Okay, if you can develop the same feeling with your target, yes, 24/7 we will think about gate, machines, power system, networks, controls. Okay, then everything will be formed to a single point, philosophy of Advaita. Okay, everything will be formed to a single point. Then it can be gate or ESE or anything related to electrical engineering we will be able to crack. Okay, very soon I will come up with another video of kind of standard books for BTech second year students. Okay, thank you, all the best.